It's all straight. The fuck is my thing, my. Fuck. Every airbag went off. Come here. Bitch ass nigga. Oh shit!
What happened, bro? Bro, what happened, bro?
Oh my god!
What happened, bro?
I recorded that shit.
You wasn't recording?
I swear to God, I'm recording. Yeah, alright, bro. That's enough pulling for tonight, bro.
I can't even tell what he did, bro.
Bro, the fucking chain snapped there, twin. This shit look terrible on camera. This shit look terrible.
What happened, bro?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it was all up in there. I couldn't turn my wheel. So I had to heat.
Who you chopping it with?
Bro, I'm just recording a video, bro. What are you coming outside for? It's a beautiful day.
I was about to record that somewhere.
Nigga, this not my car, man. You always want a nigga to do some unpaid labor today. Come on,
crazy,
come on.
bro.
Bro, this shit gonna look so crazy. I can't even.
Where you lining up at, bro? Cause
You lining up here.
you gotta come on somewhere.
I'm gonna take them off though and just put it on the other one.
Off the hood, it look crazy though.
Oh, I do got the hood. I forgot. Oh my god, my shaver. Ooh, fuck. I'ma notice that y'all ain't in traffic, but I am. Shit looks so good. This shit. Secure connection, that brand new. This old bitch was. So this is a random rim I bought just to put on there. I do have the other rim. Carbon fiber fenders, you already know that though. I got the carbon fiber hood coming. I don't even remember what the fuck. Oh, that's the head. Alright, so that's the headlight. That's the another headlight I got. You know this little ass piece right here to hold the radiator, this shit costs $212. Then the plastic piece that go around that bullshit costs $216. I'm about to just jerry-rig this shit. I'm on this part. I'm on this part right now. So let's do that. After you take this out, put the shit on the seat right here. Oh, that's off to the side. Oh, another T. Right after undoing these, you can just pull this out. SRS. It's gonna take a little handle. Oh, this shit took 2 fucking days. I kid you not. And broke the top of it. I think this go in the bumper. And then I gotta. No, that don't. Wait. No, that don't go on. What the fuck is this? I'll just go to the headlight or. Dude, I feel like I'm. Oh, this. I think this go to the coolant pump. I gotta double check that. It's the coolant. I think this is why the airbags went off though. So it hit on the sensor though. I think I gotta take out all 4 of my pretensioners. Dicky. Cold start this motherfucker. Oh hell no. That bitch said inoperative. I need to. I can't fit this T20 through there. Let's take the pretensioner off right there. Gotta do the second seat. Damn, these niggas be smoking. That nigga supposed to clock in and work. No ABS for nothing. Hey, we got. Nah, hold on. So you didn't take this shit. Look. No, I didn't yet. Cause look. What you want me to record you? record you real quick. So you take.
Oh shit.
Damn, bro, that's for my house.
Oh, my bad.
Ooh. Hold on. All right, so you're gonna pop that off like that with a screwdriver. After that, it'll come off. But if it don't, take that shit off. No, I can't. You see how my shit locked up? So he slid his shit out easy, but like, I can't slide my shit off like that.
You see that bitch?
It's a T40 right there. That's what we gotta get into. But we can't get into it because it's so damn tight. So what I'm finna do is lift the seat up or some shit. Oh yeah, that's good. Let that motherfucker in the right position. The wrong way.
Ooh, take it out at the top, bro.
Yeah, bro. For the front?
Buckle too. Pretty sure, yes.
Side where the pretensioner at. So you might have to really.
On that side. I thought it was on this side.
Oh, you right. I'm tripping. Yeah, you just gotta move it. Yeah, like try to move it like. Yeah. It's just. Wow.
Slide to the left.
It should. The other one came off during an accident, so it was like.
Oh no.
Ooh. I just sprayed one of my pants. Oh, it was my pajamas. So I got that shit up.
The flathead, bro.
Yeah, that's for the clip. Ooh, see, I be taking that shit off in one go. That shit not safe. You switch to the back. Ooh, damn, twin, you scratching that. Let me see.
Scratches out. Actually, we saying that shit, bro.
This shit's, we just fucking.
We saying.
Or here. Like, these shit locked in and feel like, what the fuck?
How that bitch supposed to go, twin? I'm not gonna lie.
You just broke the clip, bro. Bro, somebody already broke a clip over there, it look like.
Yeah, what the fuck?
What the fuck? Somebody already. Bro.
Definitely don't want to pull it out like that.
Oh, that nigga ripping my seats up. Bro, that nigga ripping this. Oh, this side is coming out for real.
Oh, these little ass clips.
They breaking? Move the seat.
Pick no. Get this part, twin. Ooh, broke a clip.
Damn. It's up. Can you pull it up and back?
What this nigga shoes?
I don't even know what you're talking about. So
It's all closer, you see it? You gonna have to bend that bitch back when you put it back on, bro.
you bending that shit back.
I bend this shit, bro.
Yes, you is, twin. Dumbass, bro. You know that. Oh my god, this thing. I need some more workers. So this is what we need right here. And then we need that screwdriver. That other one right here.
We used to work on Benzes back in my country, too.
Where you from?
Through here, bro. You can't even get this.
Loop wood through wood. What you talking about? I'm about to cut that seatbelt off, nigga. I don't need those. Damn, I missed it, y'all. This nigga just dropped this shit.
Man, that's a good thing it already went off.
Hey, shut your bitch, bro. We need to figure out how to get these rears. The trim off of this shit right here. I don't know. Oh, you already started this shit, bro. He said he got it. Oh, he got it.
Damn.
What? Is money in there?
Yeah.
That's me, bro. That came with the car, bro. The pretend it's up there.
Locked the fuck up, twin.
I don't think we take them off.
Gotta take the top and the bottom, bro.
He didn't think he know what the fuck he doing, but he don't. This nigga had a Beamer, not a Benz.
Nigga, I'll go home.
Ooh.
You see? Move. Nigga, move out the way.
Can you put it down?
Closer. Nigga, I can't see that. Ooh.
Hold on, wait, hold on. What you mean?
But you gotta get these trim pieces off. I don't know how.
Oh, that's what you talking about. That's just finna leave, bro.
I'm on tomorrow, bro.
Bro, we off tomorrow. Tomorrow the holiday. Like, bro. Like, niggas just...
Yeah, you should be alright with a radiator. Damn, bro, you almost fucked yourself up.
Bro, take them dirty, dusty ass slides.
Slides here, bro.
What you giving me?
Yo, keys, bitch, nigga.
Oh. So, bro, where you going? Hold on.
Bro.
You gotta go. She waiting and she there right now?
Bro, she's been there for 25 minutes.
Ah, damn, bro. All right, well, I guess these the front pretension. Lead in, nigga, lead. And it's the rear, right?
No, nigga, that's two front.
I thought I just put the other rear. Hold on, bro.
Nah, bro, we took them off the front, bro.
Rears, bro.
The rear right here. This is one rear right here.
And what the other rear?
You had it.
Oh, I put it up here on the car. All right, bro. So next step, I ain't gonna lie, I need a blunt. I think I'm gonna end part 1 here, actually. Fresh on part 2. Part 2, this bit might be started for real. Actually, it will. I was gonna have it started on part 1, but I fucked up my shit ran out of storage real quick. But it's the rear too. And then I got the 2 front ones. So I send them bitches in now with the SRS module. They send it back, I should plug it in, it should start. But the seatbelt locked up on this, so I gotta figure out how to take this. Probably shouldn't have came back with it, motherfucker. I couldn't find that shit though, so I just thought I'd make it. We not gonna talk about this right now. I think I converted the wrong damn channel. Right. I'll drop another video soon. I'm like,
my nigga 12 minutes, this motherfucker. Oh, God.
Little petty cases, cops still got my 6, still got my ARP. Just left the bank, I got no envelope. No niggas ain't robbing me. This ain't no trend, boy. We fuck up the traffic till twin patrol the street. Bro, boy, that ring. You can check my title, boy. Did my AMG.